Hey guys, what's up? How's it going today? Today is Quadruple Witching Day. Here we're going to look at my options that I've got left that are in the money still. Starting off with Blackberry. I'm gonna try to roll this one at 13. So roll. Looks like an $8 credit. Looks like we're doing the weeklies. I don't want to do that. Let's go out to the monthly. April 16th is the next monthly. $75. I'll take it. Okay, $68. I'll take whatever I can get. So, okay, good. Next. Let's do the 20. I don't think that's going to roll very well, but we'll see. It's pretty deep in the money. So let's see if there's any premium in there. All the premiums almost sucked out for the whole month, but yeah, it's still a little bit, so I'll take it. So I have to shell out an extra couple grand. Let's see. They didn't go through. Let's see what the current is. Okay. Well, let's go a little under. It's fine. A little enticement to the market makers. All right, so that went through. That's good. We got to cancel this one so I can roll it. All right, so that canceled. So back to positions. Okay, we got Fubo. Volatility is rather high for Fubo because it has such a dramatic price decrease. So $38 in a week, that's pretty decent. Let's see what the monthly's got. The monthly's not even an option? Wait, what? Monthly 36. Not an option. Not a strike, huh? Alright, that's weird. Let's go to April 1st. I'll take it. Alright, what else we got? Okay, Fubo. It's not gone through yet. Workhorse. So Workhorse, 16 put. We're almost there. That could, by the end of the day, be okay, depending on what Workhorse does today. Remember, we got that soft floor at 16. There's some support there, and there's definitely a hard floor at 15. So that executed this morning. I saw my little position went off. So actually, I'm gonna close this position. I'm gonna just put my normal $5, and I'm just gonna leave it open. Good till cancel, but it ends today, so it doesn't matter. So at some point today, hopefully it'll go through. Oh, here we go. Let's replace this with something else. I'm just gonna go here, confirm. It's fine. Whatever. This Blackberry didn't go through. Let's take a look at that. Okay, fine. Alright, so the only one we have left is Workhorse. All the rest have been filled. And this account is good for the day. Good for a while. I might come back later and look at Workhorse again. If I need to, I'll just take the stock. I love the company, so it's okay. I got some buying power back. I'm at 2600, 2651 or so, 2648. So looks like I'm not gonna have to take any of the stock except for maybe that one right now. and maybe BlackBerry later, since they're so deep in the money, unless it jumps back up. And Fubo, well, we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Good luck out there. Quadruple wishing day. Typically, only happens 4 times a year, and more times than not, it's a down day. So I don't expect a really big update today. It might be down. It's hard to say. All right, guys. Subscribe to my channel for daily options trade and investing in general.